In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to the media library on Podia. If you're looking to enhance your products with additional resources, or simply want to learn how to manage your media library more effectively, this guide will lead you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Podia account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Podia dashboard. This is your main control center for all things Podia, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of options that help you navigate through Podia's features. Look for the section labeled Products and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your existing products are displayed. If you haven't created any products yet, you'll see options to get started with that as well. After clicking on Products, locate the specific product you want to add files to. To edit this product, you'll need to click on the pencil icon next to it. This icon is your gateway to customizing the product's details, and it's where you can modify the content associated with your product. Once you're on the product's edit page, you'll see a section dedicated to media. This is where you can upload new files to enhance your product. Look for a button that says Choose Files. This is your next step. Clicking this button will open up your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse and select the files you want to upload from your local library. Select the files you wish to add and confirm your selection. Once the files are uploaded, they will appear in your media library within Podia. It's as simple as that. You'll want to ensure that your files are well organized and appropriately named, making it easier for you and your customers to navigate through the content. This process is an excellent way to enrich your products with valuable resources, whether they be documents, images, or other types of media. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing the potential of your offerings on Podia. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add files to your media library on Podia. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in managing your Podia products. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy creating!